Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So you want to connect Just Markets to your MT 2026 platform, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do that in 5 simple steps. Step 1. First, you'll need to download the MT 2026 trading platform if you haven't already. Head to the official website and grab the latest version. Once you've got it installed and running, open up the application and log in with your credentials. Step 2. Next, you'll want to navigate to the data feed settings. Look for the settings menu, usually found in the top menu bar, then locate the data sources or connections option. This is where you'll manage all your market data connections. Step 3. Now it's time to add Just Markets as your data provider. Click on the Add New Connection button and select Just Markets from the drop-down list. If it's not visible, you might need to manually enter their server details. Step 4. You'll need to input your Just Markets account information here. Enter your username, password, and any required authentication tokens they provide. Make sure everything is spelled correctly to avoid connection issues. Step 5. Finally, test the connection by clicking the Verify button and watch for the confirmation message. Once it says connected successfully, you're all set. Your Just Markets data should now be flowing into MT 2026 seamlessly.